Two legendary trucks. One epic showdown. The Unimog U500 and the Ford F-100, both icons in their own right, but which one truly dominates the road? Whether it's brute force, timeless design, or off-road supremacy, these two machines go head-to-head in a battle of capability, history, and raw power. The Unimog U500 is the definition of a go-anywhere, do-anything workhorse. Built by Mercedes-Benz, this beast is engineered for extreme terrains, from muddy construction sites to war zones and the harshest wilderness. With a high ground clearance, portal axles, and a flexible chassis that practically bends over obstacles, the Unimog U500 doesn't just drive, it conquers. Powered by a 6.4L turbo diesel inline-six, it churns out 286 horsepower and a staggering 811 lb-ft of torque, making it a true off-road king. Whether hauling heavy equipment or fording rivers, this truck thrives where others fail. Then there's the Ford F-100, a classic American legend. Unlike the Unimog's industrial toughness, the F-100 represents timeless style and raw muscle. This truck was a staple of the American workforce, but it also carried an undeniable cool factor. From the golden era of V8 power, the F-100 came equipped with a range of engines, including the legendary 5.0L Windsor V8, known for its deep growl and impressive torque. While it may not climb mountains like the Unimog, it dominates the streets with its bold stance and unmatched charisma. The F-100 isn't just a truck, it's an icon of American culture. So, which one takes the crown? If we're talking about sheer utility and off-road dominance, the Unimog U500 is in a league of its own. But when it comes to heritage, style, and that raw, nostalgic appeal, the Ford F-100 wins hearts like no other. One is built for war, the other for the road, but both hold a place in the history of automotive greatness. Now, we want to hear from you. Which truck gets your vote as the ultimate king of the road? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic automotive battles. Stay tuned for more head-to-head comparisons, because the road never runs out of legends.